Got a lot of questions about what I bring when I go on a multi-day or even an overnight or anything camping related in the truck. So this is the list I put together for my last trip. It's the wheeling and camping packing list. And it pretty much covers everything that I'm gonna want to bring with me. It's missing a couple things as I discovered on this trip. I don't have any personal items on here, so no bathroom stuff, no, obviously, no toothpaste or toilet paper. So, yeah, make sure you're still bringing your own personal kit on here. But, yeah, this is it. Fridge, sleeping bags, spare fuel, radio and comms. That's going to be both a radio that I can hand out and a radio that is in my truck tuned to the same frequency and intercom working and everything like that.
Got the jalapenos. Hello, rice and beans must have showed out. I'm bumping it down.
Couple handhelds, lighting. I'm usually going to bring that Milwaukee light. That guy right there. That's just a great area light. And so with a good area light, you can really set up camp without having a big intrusive headlight blasting everywhere. Fire pit if one is needed. I have one I can take. Firearm, America. Firewood if needed. Tarp and tie downs. That goes without saying. Tub of towels because they work for everything. And jet boil. That's this guy. This no joke boils what is it? 16 ounces of water in about a minute. It's insane. So you can cook in this, you can make coffee, hot chocolate, and so this is pretty much what I used to do all my cooking in. So that's cool. It's actually my wife's, but she lets me borrow it. Dust mask, small chair. Once again, my awesome wife came through with these. Look at these. This is a chair. Isn't that dope? Yeah, so this is my camping chair now. I've broken so many other chairs. I'm gonna have to show you guys those in a separate video because they are that awesome. Goggles. I should have pulled those out on this trip and I just kept my sunglasses on. But if it gets bad enough, goggles and dust mask can make a bad trip good. Hatchet, matches, shovel, hammock, bug spray. Hammock. This is what I usually will sleep in. If I'm not bringing a sleeping pad, if I'm not going with anybody else, then I'm just bringing my hammock so I can just sleep in the hammock, which is awesome. Bug spray. Small folding table. I have a small folding table that's nice to take with me if there's going to be opportunity to need it. First aid kit, spill kit, drop cloth, speaker, the power tank, and the ARB kit. So for deflating the tires, inflating the tires, I've got a whole kit that comes in one of the Milwaukee bags now. Water bottles. Have a big, nice, cold water bottle. It will make sure that you drink when you're on the trail, preferably water, but it makes sure that you continue to drink while you're on the trail and not have to worry about dehydrating. Fire extinguishers, high lift, snatch block, and then here's all the other good stuff. Tools, yeah, I got a lot of stuff that's not on here, obviously, but this is just a basic to give you guys a quick, rough idea of what I consider the essentials. My camera gear is probably not too pertinent to you guys. Parts and fluids. 1350 U-joints. These are going to be my weak link in my drivetrain. So I've got extra ones of those. My brake lines and fittings, extras of everything. Small parts and electrical small parts. That's going to be relays, fuses, things like that. Spare fluid, plugs, relays, sensors, some brake parts cleaner, gloves, and belts. While this list is not meant to be all-inclusive by any means, I will actually build off of this depending on where I'm going and what the trip calls for. But this gives me confidence that I've got the vast majority of everything that I would need to be self-reliant, being able to repair broken down things, have the tools to do it, and take care of myself and whoever's with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a great time this weekend on this trip. If you guys want to see some more videos on my packing, my trips, and some of the adventures, make sure to watch one of these videos up here. If you liked what you saw, if this was entertaining, give me a subscribe and a like and a comment, and we'll see you soon. Merricks Garage.